Hello everyone. In a last video I have explained you some foreign key and primary key relationship. Uh, Please watch my last video where I have explained you user, his orders, his bill and items, etc. Today we are going to create all the scenario with the help of SQL Alchemy. Let me drop my all the tables. Check out here. I have imported all the classes. You can see in my last code there is a no text float foreign key classes. Now we are going to use these classes as well, so that I can explain you what it will work. So this is the user table you have already created in my last video. First video you can see I have created this username. This is the primary key and this is the dish table. This table has one primary key, okay, and order has one primary key, one foreign key, where I have explained foreign key contain user dot user id the user table and user id, the foreign key relationship with user table and user id, user and user id, and here is two foreign keys. One table can contain multiple foreign keys, but one table can contain primary key only single. This is a order id, order id, and dish item and dish id. Sorry, this one. Bill, same as bill, two foreign keys, order, dish, user. I am going to create 4 tables. Engine, I am going to insert Tom and Jerry, and this dishes, some dishes, and going to execute this code. You will get from my blogs. I will share you link in description. Let's execute this code. I have executed this code. Here's our no table. Refresh it. Here's our 4 tables: bill id, order id, dish id, rate. All columns are generated. Let's see how foreign key and primary keys are working. Design. I have explained foreign key constraint in my SQL Alchemy code. User ID, username, email. User has multiple orders. Order ID, user ID. Order ID has against one order you can order multiple dishes from restaurant or hotel. Bill ID, order ID, dish ID, rate, quantity. From rate ID, dish ID, you can know what dish he has ordered. Dish ID, rate, name, and recipe. User ID is connected with the order. Order is connected with the user. Bill is connected with order with the help of order ID, and dish ID connected with the dish items table. This one is primary key. Wherever you see the key, that is primary key. That I have already told you. One single table can contain only one primary key, but here you can see two keys are there, but this one is unique key, and this one is primary key. This one is primary, this one is foreign key. You can see this one is foreign key, this one is foreign key, this one is foreign key, and these are tables are connected with each other. So in next videos we will make query on these tables and find out the related data. I have entered only data in dish table and user table. In the next video I will insert the data in other tables also. Thank you.